got you.
Sharoz, you can buy this shark. You can sleep with
This
him.
is on the floor. Pick that up, Sharoz.
You should be there.
Hurry up, guys. Choose something.
Tell your mama. Tell your
Maybe you
mama.
can choose this one.
I don't think I really...
Sure, can you choose something
I'm
quickly?
just choosing if I want to buy this or not.
Stop.
Sure, which one you want to buy?
I know. Can you hold this shot at the camera?
You can buy this one.
So look, it's a dino that's about to attack you. This is actually pretty cool.
Sharoz?
Just deciding if I want to...
Sharoz, did you decide something?
I know.
Hurry up, choose. Look up.
Help.
Sure, look up. Look up. Up there. Look up.
Auntie.
What's scary? What's scary?
Hurry up, hurry up.
What's so scary?
I'll just do this and he says scary.
That's so scary.